It's 9:49, Friday the 20th of March, in Blunt in Bedfordshire. So the strongest eclipse I will see will be 85%. That's been and gone. As you can see, we have cloud here, joy, and behind the cloud just is the eclipse. So I've taken some still images on my camera. I can't get my telescope aligned because of the cloud, the sun's not bright enough, so I just can't align my telescope because it's an astronomical telescope with a beta solar filter. I need something to align against. I'm just going to leave the video running so you'll see the birds have woken up. So you'll see the sun come in and out of from behind the cloud. I'm just going to leave that with you and go quiet. I'm just taking some additional video. As you can see, it's almost the end of the eclipse now. It's 10:32, so you've probably got only another 10 minutes before the moon stops obscuring the sun. But as you can see, the sunspot has now come into view. I haven't checked S-Pod today, so I don't know the classification of that sunspot. But I've taken some images and I hope to upload them to Flickr later. So I hope you've had a lovely time viewing the solar eclipse today. We've had quite a lot of cloud. I just wish I'd gone somewhere sunny, but that's British weather for you, I'm afraid. So good afternoon. Today is Friday the 20th of March 2015. This morning there was a solar eclipse. At my location it was 85% partial. I did get some images, but I'll be honest, it was really cloudy and I didn't get a chance to focus it. I've got some video as well, I'll put that online at some point. So there's only 3 sunspots or active regions on the disk today. The one that you can see, which is kind of middle upper, is AR12303. Then below that and to the right there are 2 other spots or active regions with no visible spots that I can see. There's AR12304 and below that AR12299. Excuse me. As you can hear, I'm not very well. It's amazing how a stupid cold means you don't get out the telescope. Oh, and the whinging cat is my cat Lily. So that is the disc today. Hopefully we'll get back into some good weather and I'll get better, so we'll be back to taking pictures of the sun. Because let's face it, now that we've reached the equinox, the evenings will be getting shorter and the days longer at my location. So this is just another short video. I've taken off the 6.3 focal reducer and fill flattener. As you can see, the sun is so much larger now because I'm using the full aperture of the telescope. The telescope, just to remind you, is a Meade LX90 ACF with a Beta, homemade Beta solar filter, and my camera, which is a Samsung NX1000, is connected to prime focus. So as I mentioned before, there's only 3 active regions on the disk today. The one that you're seeing at the moment, which isn't dirt on the screen, is AR12302. When you look at the NASA information, the SOHO, which is the Solar Observatory, they just use the last 4 digits of the active region. AR means active region, of course, and then believe it or not, there's another digit in front, which is 1. We're well into the 1. So, as I said, this one is 12303, but the active region on the SOHO image is just 2303.